Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session I'm going to explain you a sum from exercise 14.3. It is third sum. A life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. We have to find the median from the given data. Let us do it. So friends, I have copied the same sum here vertically. They have given the question in the form of this, that is, they didn't give us the class intervals or the frequency. The data is in the form of below 20, below 25, like this. So another column given along with this will be cumulative frequency, not the frequency. So we have to find the class intervals as well as the frequency. So let me explain. That is, first our class intervals in the first method, first step how to do is same below 20 will be copied here also, okay, in the first step, and from the second one we will be making our class intervals. So 20 to 25, so what all numbers they gave here, those only will be taken into consideration to make our class intervals. So 25 to 30, okay, next 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. So in this way, what all numbers they gave, from that only we will be making our class intervals, and the first step will be written same as that given. Okay, next, now how to prepare the frequencies, how to write them is, since the first one in class intervals is written as it is, the cumulative frequency also will be written same as the frequency. Okay, so frequency will be written same. Next, from next step we'll be making our frequencies, that is, we need the frequencies between 20 to 25, but here if you observe it is below 25, that means below 20 are also included here, so we have to subtract, that is 2 minus 6, so you get 4. Similarly here also we need the frequencies between 25 to 30, but they have given us the frequencies below 30, that means below 25 are also included, so we have to subtract again, that is 6 minus 24, it is 18. So same process will be continued to find the frequencies, that is 24 minus 45, 21, 45 minus 78, 33, 78 minus 89, 11, 89 minus 92 is 3, 92 minus 98 is 6, and 98 minus 100 is 2. Okay, in this way we have to find all the frequencies. I have copied the formula of median, so we will be taking the values of all these terms from the median class. So how to find the median class is based on n. N is nothing but the addition of the frequencies. So the addition of the frequencies will be equal to the last number from the cumulative frequencies. If you add all these frequencies, it will be equal to 100. So we need n by 2, that is 100 by 2, you get 50. So the just greater value than 50 will be taken from the cumulative frequency. So the just greater value than 50 is 78. So this will be our median class. Okay, from this we will be taking all the values. So L is nothing but the lower boundary of the median class interval. That means the lower boundary of this median class. So what is the lower boundary of the median class? It is 35. So L will be equal to 35. Next, n by 2 we already found it, that is 50. Next one is CF. CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. So cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, not the succeeding or the same. We need the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. So it will be equal to 45. Next, frequency of the median class. Okay, so we have 33 as our frequency of the median class. Next, class size, that is the difference between these two values. Okay, that will be taken as our class size, that is nothing but h. So 40 minus 35 is equals to 5. Now we got all the values, we have to just substitute them into our formula. Okay, so when you substitute all these values, you will be getting in this form. On doing the simplification, that is 50 minus 45 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25, so 25 by 33. Now on doing division here, the answer will be 0.75. So therefore the median of the data is, on addition of these two values, the median will be given in this way. So friends, whenever they give the data in this form, that is below 20, in sometimes they will be giving less than 20 or more than 20, like that. So that is not the class intervals. We have to make from the given data class intervals. And also the other column that they give along with such data is not the frequency, it is cumulative frequency. In this way we have to find the class intervals and the frequency from the given data and follow the same process as how we do to find the median. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you.